What up, guys? So, if you're looking for the best resume template for software engineers, then I have two for you, which is this one right here and this other one right here. So, both templates are actually very easy to use. So, let me quickly show you. This one is a very dark background template, which I love so much. Then your name, what you do, a short profile about yourself, then your picture. Then this is where you list all your work experience in a beautifully formatted way, and this is where you list your all your educational background, and this part is where you showcase your skills, and here you have your contacts information. Then the second one is kind of bright, and I love the brightness. Your picture, your name, what you do, your short profile, your education, your contact information, your career, your skills, and that's all. So if you want to add additional information to the template, maybe you want to make it 2 pages, you can easily duplicate any of these templates and add more information. Yeah, very very easy. So you can download this best resume template for software engineers by clicking the link in the description below, and once you download it, you also have access to a tutorial that shows you how to edit it and how to add your personal information and start using it immediately. So the link is in the description below.